The Madlanga Commission has heard alarming testimony about the misuse of blue lights by civilians as well as other criminal syndicates. Retired Ekurhuleni Metro Police Deputy Chief Revo Spies, drawing on 43 years of experience in road traffic and safety management, has warned that easy access to blue lights has now become a serious national security risk. And Spies revealed that over the past 7 years, a significant number of criminal cases involve imposters using blue lights in order to stop and ambush unsuspecting motorists. He further described the trend as deeply concerning, noting that criminals exploit the public's trust in law enforcement symbols to carry out hijackings, robberies and even abductions.
Even in a period that I was stating earlier that I acted as the caretaker for the internal affairs for Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department, a very large amount of the internal affairs disciplinary inquiries and misconduct that was raised to us relates to members of the public that allege that officers have impersonated police officers, they've been pulled off by blue lights and that. It's prevalent for the last, I want to say 6-7 years. It started to be prevalent and it become critical where we are now. It even reached a state where I myself wouldn't even want to pull a vehicle off to do law enforcement because I'm driving an unmarked vehicle and that. It becomes very difficult to do law enforcement because the member of the public, it can lead to a situation where I'm a genuine police officer, I'm an honest police officer, I'm doing my work. The member of the public is afraid and scared and he drives away because he doesn't want to stop because of the risk. And I could believe that it happens, simple mistakes can happen. A vehicle could be wrongly registered when you buy a vehicle. You buy the vehicle and your dealer that sells the vehicle to you makes a mistake in the registration number and they swap 2 digits around when they make the registration plate. And you can drive home, brand new car, and you drive home and an officer drives behind you and he does an inquiry on you on the radio. And they say it's a black Mercedes, but you're driving a white Audi. And now the officer tries to stop you because it's a false plate in his mind. And you're a citizen. You will immediately try to get away from him. If you get away and the officer believes it's a false plate, he most probably will shoot you and you will die. And afterwards there will be obviously inquest and everything. And the other way around it works as well. So it's one of our biggest risks as law enforcement officers, having rogue blue lights available and being misused, especially by criminals. And just about every single day, if you open a newspaper today, if you speak around the Braai in South Africa, doesn't matter where you are, every single person, be it male or female, complain about the after hours stopping at the red light. We disobey traffic lights because of the risk. When I see a police officer or a blue light, I don't know if it's a hijacker or that. So it is a massive risk in our country.